The good thing about NDI is that it is free to use. NDI is a network device interface, which is a high performance standard that allows anyone to use real-time, ultra low latency videos on existing IP video networks. You can use it at home, in office, or any professional video broadcasting environment. So NDI is a network protocol that enables audio, video, and metadata signals to be sent over standard network in real time. NDI is bidirectional, low latency, and can transmit video up to 4K and beyond. It is used in some of the largest broadcast environments in the world. It is also used by individual users for video presentations or game streaming. You can also control the devices like PTZ camera. So I'll take you to NDI Tools to explain you what is there inside the tools. So click on NDI Tools. It will show you these are all the tools that you are going to get with one single suite of applications. You can have webcam, studio monitor, and video capture or screen capture. Screen capture comes with two capture protocols. One is for the screen capture and another is for screen capture HX, which is high definition. Of course, if it uses the GPU hardware accelerator, it is good for the gaming purposes. But if you are simply doing the screen capture or screencast, so you can use this. But I'll explain you in detail once we download the software. You can download it from here also, or if you go to home page, you can download it from there as well. So it is 199 MB. It will take some time to download. You can follow simple steps to do the installation. Installation wizard is simple. Just click next and choose the location for the installation. The moment your installation is completed, we'll be simply opening the software NDI. Now NDI app comes with all these applications which are displayed here right now. I'll just increase the screen size. Now these applications are for different purposes used by different users. Studio Monitor is in fact a display that brings the video from various sources. It can be from webcam or it can be from screen captures. The main computer where you'll be displaying the video from other sources will be using Studio Monitor. So suppose this is my computer where I want to use as a Studio Monitor. So I'll be clicking over here. Studio Monitor software will open here. I can simply click here and make the full size of this. So this is how the screen will look like. To bring the source of video, you will click here. Whatever computers will be available or webcams will be available on the network, so they will all be appearing here. So you can choose the display from here. If you want to capture the screen of other computers, you can use it by installing the complete NDI software there and just open the NDI screen capture. So I'll be clicking on screen capture. Now you'll see here NDI screen capture is already available on my computer. Now if I go back here to NDI Studio Monitor, you will be able to see that I will be able to bring the video source from other computer to this. Right now you can see this computer, this has got now two different monitors coming over here. So I can click here and you will see the display from other computer is available right now here. So if I go back here, I can change the source and I can click on none, so video will be disappeared. So this way you will be able to bring the video broadcast from various other devices. So I'll explain you in detail all the applications one by one. You can have NDI HX camera for iOS or Android, which is of course paid, but once you have it, you'll be able to send video capture from your webcam directly and it will be appearing here as a source. So you'll be able to click on the source in the videos in the Studio Monitor and that video will be appearing here. So screen capture and webcam, these are two mostly used sources for the Studio Monitor. So I have created a playlist where I have explained webcam, screen capture, NDI to OBS and OBS to NDI integration. I have explained in detail. Keep watching the channel for more videos. See you in next video. Take care and goodbye.